Lotion I have on my list is my Whitening lotion. This Whitening lotion contains fruit acid. Yeah, this Whitening lotion, a lot of people complain that it gives them stretch mark, green veins and all that. To me, that lotion is a very good whitening lotion. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this video for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous. On this channel I'll film about skincare, product review, supplement review, DIYs, boot enlargement, everything DIY. So if this is the kind of content you'd like to know about, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time when I drop a new video. And again, every Saturday I drop a new video on this channel, so if you don't want to miss out, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified once I drop a new video. So without wasting time today, I'm telling you guys products you can get from the market straight and use on your skin to get the desired results you want from it. Yeah, a lightening lotion you can easily get from the market. Yeah, you easily get some very good lotions that doesn't even contain hydroquinone from the market, and use it and get the best results out of it. So number one on my list is my Snow White lotion. Yeah, this lotion is actually very available in the market. Yeah, it's a lotion that is very available in the market, and this lotion is a very cheap lotion. You can get it for around 2,000 to 1,500 depending on your location, and this lotion does not contain hydroquinone. It's very safe for use and it's lightening effectively. Do not be deceived by the name Snow White or Snow whatever that is written on the lotion. The lotion is not going to make you extremely white. It's just going to lighten up your skin a little bit and give you that desired skin tone you want from it. Like I said, the lotion is going to give you the desired skin shade you want from it. So another lotion that I have on my list is my X5 lotion. Yes, X5 lotion. This lotion is not really active, like it's not a very whitening lotion. It's just for lightening. So if you're looking to tone up a little bit, maybe to get like 2 to 3 shades lighter, then you definitely want to try this lotion. This lotion doesn't contain hydroquinone as well, and it's a very good lotion. As I'm dropping each name, I'll be dropping the picture of each product alongside, so you know what you're getting from the market once you go to the market. So like I said, number 2 on my list is my X5 lotion. This X5 lotion is very effective. Yes, very effective, tested and trusted. So if you're looking for just a like 2 shades lighter or so, then you definitely want to try out this lotion. It's very effective. But the next lotion on my list is body polish lotion. Yeah, body polish lotion is also another very good lotion you can get from the market without needing to mix whatsoever serum or anything to it again. Yeah, body polish lotion alone work effectively on its own. If you're looking for 2 to 1 shade lighter, you definitely want to give this product a try. This product is not something that is going to give you that extra whitening effect. It is only going to give you like 2 to 3 shade light, and you have to use this with consistency. Yeah, you don't want to use just half or one of it and conclude it's not working or you didn't get that whitening effect from it. You have to be consistent with using it, and you have to get the original one of it. So the next lotion I have on my list is QEI. Yeah, this lotion is actually a very good lotion. It's a common lotion actually, but it's a little bit pricey, and again QEI lotion does not whitening on its own. Yeah, it serves like a moisturizer or a toner on its own. If you want to get a very good result from QEI, you have to get it along the serum. Yeah, it has a serum. You have to mix 2 serum into 1 lotion. So if you're not getting 2 serum of QEI, you should rather get and then 1 QEI lotion. Pour half of the QEI lotion into a bowl, then pour a full serum of QEI into the bowl and mix together, meaning you're using half of the QEI to mix 1 serum of the QEI. So whenever you want to use the remaining half, you need to get another serum from the market, which is another QEI serum, to mix the remaining half. Like that, you get a good result from it. You get 2 to 3 shades from that. Yes, QI on its own doesn't whitening the skin. So in case you go to the market to get it and you didn't get that whitening effect from it, if you want to get a very good result from QI lotion, you need to get the serum alongside. And if you are looking for extra whitening from QI, I would advise you to get 2 serums for 1 lotion and add Koji clear tube into it. Mix very well. That will give you a very good whitening effect. But if you're not looking for that extra whitening, QEI and the serum is good to go for you, and you will get the desired skin tone you want from it. So the next lotion I have on my list is my White Now lotion. This White Now lotion contains fruit acid. Yeah, this White Now lotion, a lot of people complain that it gives them stretch mark, green veins and all that. To me, that lotion is a very good whitening lotion. So in order to mix this White Now lotion and not get any bad effect from it, get your White Now lotion, get bio oil. Yes, if you can't get the bio oil, you can get tissue oil or any other. You can get rescue oil. You mix 2 tablespoons of rescue oil or bio oil into half lotion of White Now lotion. After that, you also add liver tube cream into your mixture. This is going to help you also prevent any form of reaction that is going to come with this lotion. Make sure to get these products I mentioned when you're mixing this White Now lotion, because a lot of people used to complain about it, and some is always very good for them. So in order for you not to have any complaint when you use it, you definitely want to add all what I have just instructed you to add to it. So the last but not the least on my list for now is my 42 hours lotion. 42 hours lotion is also a very good lightening lotion. I didn't say whitening. It's a very good lightening lotion. It's not pricey. It's readily available in the market. You can go to the market and get it. It is readily available in the market. Very good, very active for lightening. Doesn't contain hydroquinone, no form of steroid in it. Very safe for use. So these are very good lotions you can get to the market and buy with a little money. Yeah, these lotions I just mentioned are lotions that are not so pricey. Yeah, you can even get some of it for as low as 1.5. Yeah, depending on your area. So this will be all about the lightening lotion for my list for this week. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. I'll be dropping another list of extra whitening lotion you can get from the market. Yes, if this like sharp whitening lotions you can get from the market. So if you would like to get me to upload that next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Yeah, give me a like on this video. So this will be all concerning the lightening lotions you can get from the market. If you've watched my video to this extent, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time once I drop a new video. Until next time, bye, peace out.